Life is a journey, a continuous path that we all walk. Each step we take brings us closer to understanding ourselves. And the most important one is the journey within, the exploration of our inner world. It's a path that requires courage and honesty. It's about discovering who you truly are, beyond the surface and the roles you play. It's about peeling back the layers to reveal your true essence. It's about understanding your thoughts and feelings and how they shape your reality. Every emotion, every thought is a part of your unique story. This journey can be exciting, filled with moments of awe and wonder. Each new discovery is a step towards self-awareness. It can also be challenging as you face your fears and doubts, but it's always worthwhile. These challenges are opportunities for growth. Take a deep breath and relax, allowing yourself to be present in this moment. Feel the calmness wash over you. Let go of any worries, any burdens that weigh you down. Release them into the universe and feel the lightness within. This is your time to connect with yourself, to listen to your inner voice. Hear the whispers of your soul guiding you. You are worthy of love and happiness, just as you are. Embrace yourself with kindness and compassion. Open your heart to the beauty within, to the light that shines inside you. Let this light guide you on your journey. As you journey inward, remember to be gentle with yourself, to show yourself compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness you offer to others. You are constantly growing and evolving, like a flower that blooms with time. Each phase of your growth is beautiful and unique. It's okay to make mistakes, to stumble and fall. These moments are lessons that shape your journey. It's okay to not have all the answers, to be uncertain and curious. Embrace the mystery of life with an open heart. Just be open to learning and growing along the way, embracing each step of your journey. Every experience is a stepping stone to your true self. If you enjoy positive vibe videos, subscribe to my channel for more uplifting content. Join our community of like-minded individuals on this journey. You are unique and special. There's no one else in the entire world who is exactly like you. Your experiences, your thoughts, your dreams, and your aspirations are all uniquely yours. Embrace this uniqueness, for it is what makes you truly special. Remember, your individuality is your greatest asset. Cherish every moment that has shaped you into who you are today. There is no one else like you in the world. Embrace your individuality. Celebrate your strengths. Acknowledge your weaknesses. Understand that both your strengths and weaknesses are part of what makes you whole. They are the pieces of the puzzle that is you. Each piece, no matter how small, contributes to the beautiful picture of your life. Together, they create a masterpiece that is uniquely yours. You are perfect just the way you are. Every flaw, every imperfection, every quirk is a part of your perfection. It is what makes you, you. Embrace it all. Your imperfections are what make you relatable and human. They are the threads that weave the fabric of your existence. Repeat after me, I am enough. Say it with conviction. Feel it in your heart. Let these words resonate within you. Let this affirmation be a beacon of light in your daily life. Allow it to guide you through moments of doubt and uncertainty. Say it again, I am enough. Let this affirmation become a part of your daily routine. Remind yourself every day that you are enough just as you are. This simple phrase holds the power to transform your mindset. It is a reminder of your inherent worth and value. Believe it with all your heart. Let this belief guide you in everything you do. When you truly believe that you are enough, you will find a new sense of confidence and peace. This belief will be your foundation in times of doubt. It will be the anchor that keeps you grounded. You are worthy of love just as you are. You don't need to change a thing about yourself to be deserving of love. Love yourself first and others will follow. Your worthiness is inherent and undeniable. It is a truth that cannot be shaken. You don't need to change a thing. Embrace all parts of yourself. The good, the bad, the light, and the shadow. They all make up the beautiful tapestry that is you. Each thread in this tapestry tells a story of resilience and growth. Together, they create a narrative of strength and beauty. Embrace all parts of yourself, the good and the bad, the light and the shadow. Accepting all aspects of yourself is the first step towards true self-love. This acceptance is a journey, not a destination. It is a continuous process of growth and understanding, the good and the bad, the light and the shadow. When you accept yourself fully, You open yourself up to true happiness. This acceptance is the key to unlocking your true potential. It is the gateway to a life of authenticity and joy. It is the path to inner peace and fulfillment. The light and the shadow, both are essential parts of who you are. Embrace them, and you will find a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment. This balance is the essence of your true self. It is the harmony that brings you closer to your core. When you accept yourself fully, you open yourself up to true happiness. This happiness is not dependent on external factors, but comes from within. It is a state of being that you can carry with you always. This inner joy is your constant companion. It is the light that shines from within. You are a beautiful, unique soul. Never forget that. Your uniqueness is your strength. Embrace it, celebrate it, and let it shine for the world to see. Your light is a gift to the world. Let it illuminate the path for others. Self-love is essential for a happy and fulfilling life. It is the foundation upon which all other relationships are built. It's about treating yourself with kindness and compassion. Embrace your flaws and celebrate your strengths. It's about speaking to yourself with love and respect. Your words have the power to heal and uplift. When you love yourself, you attract more love into your life. The energy you radiate draws positivity towards you. Start each day with a positive affirmation. Let these words set the tone for your day. Look in the mirror and say, "I love and accept myself completely." Feel the truth of these words resonate within you. It might feel strange at first. Keep doing it. With time, it will become a natural part of your routine. You'll start to believe it. Self-love is not selfish, it's necessary. It empowers you to live authentically. When you love yourself, you have more love to give to others. Your relationships will flourish with this newfound love. You become a beacon of light and positivity. Your presence will inspire and uplift those around you. Listening to your inner wisdom. This is a journey inward, a path to discovering the depths of your own soul. Deep inside you is a voice of wisdom and guidance. This voice is always there, waiting for you to tune in and listen. It is a gentle whisper that holds the key to your true self. It knows what's best for you. It understands your true desires and needs, even when you might not be fully aware of them yourself. Trust that this inner voice has your best interests at heart. It guides you towards your true path. This inner wisdom is like a compass, always pointing you in the right direction, even when the way seems unclear. Embrace the journey, even if it feels uncertain. Learn to listen to this inner voice. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, allow yourself to be still and present in the moment. In this stillness, you will find clarity and peace. Take a few deep breaths. Feel the air filling your lungs and then gently releasing it. This helps to calm your mind and open your heart. With each breath, you connect deeper with your inner self. Ask yourself, what do I need right now? What is my heart trying to tell me? Be patient and open to whatever comes up. The answers may come in subtle ways, so stay attentive. Listen to the whispers of your heart. Trust your intuition. It speaks softly but carries profound truths. These truths are the guiding lights on your path. Your intuition is your superpower. It is a gift that connects you to your higher self and the universe. Nurture this connection and it will grow stronger. It's your direct line to the divine. Don't ignore it. Trust your gut feelings. They are usually right. They are the voice of your soul guiding you. Embrace this guidance with gratitude and confidence. You have all the answers you need within you. Trust in your inner wisdom and let it lead you to a life of fulfillment and joy. Your inner wisdom is a treasure trove of insights and revelations. Finding peace within. Peace starts from within. It is the foundation of a balanced life. It's about finding calmness amidst the chaos. Even in the storm, there is a place of stillness. It's about cultivating a sense of tranquility in your heart and mind. This tranquility becomes your anchor. When you have inner peace, you can handle anything life throws your way. It gives you strength and resilience. Take time each day to quiet your mind. This practice nurtures your soul. Meditate, breathe deeply, practice gratitude. These habits transform your inner world. Let go of what you cannot control. Release the burdens that weigh you down. Focus on the present moment. Peace is a choice. Embrace the now with open arms. Choose to focus on the positive. Let positivity be your guiding light. Choose to let go of negativity. Free yourself from the chains of doubt. You deserve to experience peace in your life. It's your birthright. Embrace it fully and wholeheartedly. If you enjoy hanging with positive vibes, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Take a deep breath and feel the serenity around you. Embracing the journey of growth. This journey is unique to you. Life is a journey of growth and evolution. Each moment is a step towards your true self. There will be ups and downs. Embrace it all. These experiences shape who you are. Each experience is an opportunity to learn and grow. Be patient with yourself. Growth takes time. Celebrate your progress. No matter how small, every small victory is a testament to your resilience. Every step forward is a victory. Cherish each step, no matter how small. You are constantly evolving into a wiser, stronger, and more loving being. Trust the journey. Believe in your potential. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be. The universe guides you. The universe has a plan for you. Embrace the unknown. Embrace the possibilities. Let go of fear and welcome new beginnings. You are capable of amazing things. Your potential is limitless.